Hey guys, welcome to our classroom. I've changed myself into a Bitmoji here for us, and I think it's pretty cool. Don't I look really good, guys? Hopefully, you guys are having a great week and your e learning is going good for you. I know it's been a long time since we've been in a classroom, but it is Friday, TGIF, and I made this virtual classroom just for us. In this classroom, we have a lot of things in here. These are all our assignments that we've had for e-learning. So anybody that's missing anything, you could just click through these. They're all links to everything we need, and it could get you right there. So these are all ed puzzles. There are 6 of them that we've done. All right, so if you click on those, they'll take you right out to those ed puzzles, so you could work on those and get those completed. Up here, we have the 2 Padlets that we assigned for Earth Day. So again, you click on those, they'll take you right out to those 2 palettes. We also have our 2 quizzes for our class, so click on those. They'll bring it right to the quizzes. Here is our Nearpod. We just had the other day on Succession, so click that. It'll take you out to that Nearpod, and you got everything in one virtual classroom. So don't make fun of my Bitmoji. I think that looks like me. I got no hair, kind of a little facial hair going there, and I like to wear crazy shirts. All right, so hopefully this works for you. I'm going to send out a Zoom invite today too. 6th period, we'll be doing it at 1:30. 7th period at 2 o'clock. Again, this is not mandatory, but you can join us. If you would like to, if you need to talk about stuff in school or just need to talk. So have a great Friday, everybody. Hopefully you like our new classroom here. That's going to be our virtual classroom here for the next couple weeks. And take care. TGIF. Have a great weekend, everybody.